Hello, everyone. We're absolutely excited to be here today. We've been a passionate portrait photographers for many years, and throughout our journey, we've had the opportunity to explore various styles of photography, from fashion campaigns, lifestyle portraits to capturing the love and emotion of engagement sessions. We at Photoshoot have done it all. We've also had the pleasure of taking portraits of individuals who simply want beautiful photos of themselves. Now, in today's video, we want to share some valuable insights that we've gathered over the years. These are composition tips that can instantly elevate your portrait photography. But before we dive in, we would like to thank our sponsor for this video, GizmoPanel at www.gizmopanel.com. GizmoPanel elevates your photo editing game, catering to hobbyists, beginners, and professionals alike. So, let's jump right into it. One of the first things you should always consider during a portrait session is where you're cropping your image in relation to the subject. The fundamental guideline is to refrain from cropping at a person's joints. When capturing close-up shots, you can either crop in very tightly around their face or include a subtle hint of their shoulders. This approach is far more flattering than cropping at the neck. When capturing full-body images, never crop at the ankles. Instead, include their feet. This technique results in a more balanced appearance and prevents the subject from seeming shorter. In mid-length portraits, cropping just above the knees can create the illusion of longer legs for the subject, whereas cropping at the knees can lead to a shorter and less appealing look. Furthermore, when your subject is wearing a dress, it's best to avoid cropping right at the hemline. Instead, opt to crop just below the hemline, allowing a glimpse of their legs in the frame. Keep these principles in mind during your photo shoots. Moreover, contemplate strategic cropping to introduce tension and enhance the framing of your shots. At times, intentionally cropping out certain body parts can result in captivating compositions. Now, you may find it necessary to refine your cropping during the editing process to perfect the composition. A minor adjustment in cropping can transform a good photo into a breathtaking one. It ultimately boils down to honing your eye for composition. Now, let's delve into the concept of negative space. It's a powerful technique for evoking various moods in your photos. The decision to employ negative space or fill it in hinges on your creative vision. Negative space has the potential to infuse your photos with a dreamy or whimsical ambiance. This effect is especially pronounced when working with long lenses. Including less of the background allows the subject to take center stage, so to speak, resulting in a calming and dreamy ambiance in the image. On the flip side, when you fill the frame with your subject or surroundings, it can intensify your photos, infusing them with rich visual details and generating a dynamic impact. Don't hesitate to experiment with both approaches to capture the mood you desire in your images. Now, let's delve into the topic of angles. The angle from which you shoot can dramatically shift the mood of your photos. For example, shooting from a lower angle is popular in fashion photography, infusing your shots with a sense of power and artistry. Additionally, it serves as an excellent method to distinctively showcase your location. Conversely, shooting from an elevated angle can yield more traditional-looking portraits. Lastly, shooting at eye level provides the most versatile and neutral option for capturing your subjects. This perspective offers neutral starting point, granting you the freedom to explore wide poses and compositions. Lastly, consider the distance from which you're capturing your shots. Diversifying your shooting distance can yield a diverse array of images, which is particularly crucial during client sessions. Utilizing varying distances aids in crafting a more compelling visual narrative. Providing a collection of photos with diverse compositions contributes to a more captivating narrative for your viewers. When combined with lighting and posing techniques, these composition tips have the power to genuinely revolutionize your portrait photography. Always bear in mind that photography is more than just capturing moments, it's about weaving stories through your imagery. Now, we'd like to extend our gratitude once more to our sponsor, GizmoPanel, available at www.gizmopanel.com. GizmoPanel, the most advanced and intuitive Photoshop plugin available on the market today. GizmoPanel was designed to dramatically improve your post-processing experience, and make your workflow easier, faster and fun. GizmoPanel will enhance your editing technique and workflow, whether you're an experienced photographer or just beginning your journey. Don't miss out on GizmoPanel's 30-day free trial. You can explore this editing wonder without any limitations or watermarks for a full month. We hope you found these composition tips helpful in improving your portrait photography. We make new videos every week, so if you enjoyed this content, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Stay tuned for more photography tips, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.